ethnochoreologist. And basically what that means is that I study the world's cultures through dance using different disciplines like anthropology, ethnomusicology, psychology, ethnology, like all the ologies basically. I use all of these different scholarships and disciplines to get a better understanding of the world through dance and movement. Some of my background, well, I am a South Carolina State University alum. While I was there, I danced on the Marching 101's Champagne Dance Line, where I served as co-captain and captain my final 2 years. After that, I went on to pursue my MA in Ethnochoreology because I've always wanted to do this since I graduated college, 2013. This was my dream to do this show and to do this blog, this travel blog. And I found the Ethnochoreology program at the University of Limerick in Ireland and ended up at the Irish World Academy. Shout out to Dr. Catherine Foley, my program director, and Roz Mikey C, my brother, Hannah Santino, and Anna Camille. Well, your last name is different, I just got married, congratulations. And also to Amy, like these are my classmates from that time, and Ireland was awesome. And then, fast forward since then, let's see. This has opened so many doors for me as a dancer and as a dance enthusiast and a dance scholar. I was able to go to Ethiopia since then. I was hired as a professor at Savannah State University for their dance program, and I've been teaching there for 4 years. This will probably be one of my final years, maybe. I don't know. But we'll see. But since I've been there, I've been able to teach all types of practical and theoretical dance courses. Jazz 1, 2, modern, dance appreciation, dance history. I've actually helped to develop a course for HBCU Dance Line. And that HBCU Dance Line is actually my field of expertise within the field of ethnochoreology. That is what I'll be considered someone that you would go to in that field. But basically, what we do is we write the books about dance. We create the educational material so that dance is included in the conversation of arts historically. So when people are going back in time and saying, who was doing what during what time, that's what our job is. A little bit more about my background and where the coach and Coach Professor Q comes from is I also have a dance fitness brand called Club Cardio, and I just kind of help people with their fitness goals through dance. Like I created a class where you are learning choreography and a fun way to work out and includes resistance. And I also have a fitwear line for dancers, athletes, all the movers and the shakers. And we are developing that as well. It's called We All Move. And Go Lightly Fitness is where I also host my gluten ab class. It's for all fitness levels and for everyone to realize, like, wherever you are starting, you can take these classes and you can reach your goals. And it's like a lot of moving parts, but it all encompasses and circles around my lifestyle as a dancer, which includes having to be fit, which includes wellness, which includes taking care of my mental health, which includes scholarship and academics. So this is what it's about. That's where the coach comes from. I also help coach dance teams. I'm also coach dance teams and do judging at different events and things like that. So that's where Coach Q comes in. The new hot thing is to overline the lips. I'm not here for it.
I was looking, I was like, I can't.
She's like, I don't know what the hell you're talking about.
I don't see what you're doing.
Honestly, I have no clue what you're talking about. Okay. We're giving something. It ain't a lot, but it's something.
Ooh. Like that.
It's high class right there. It's high class.
Mm-hmm.
Got this like thrift store in Mozambique.
Vintage.
I got nothing.
It's a cap.
I got this out of the thrift store in Washington. Actually, where did I get this? It's a thrift store for sure. Atlanta. I got this out of, it's the big thrift store in Wisconsin.
Intriguing.
But it's very sturdy. You can't put a laptop in it, but if you have an iPad,
You can rock.
you can rock out. And we put this on, so I won't be looking all shiny on camera. It's called baby skin. It's like having your own filter. Commercial slide.
You gotta put your hand behind it.
Yeah, like, it's called baby skin. It's like having your own real life filter, guys. You see the shine on me? Watch, it's gonna go away. Look at me, matte. You see it? Did you see it? Don't lie now, Ashley.
I'm not gonna lie. You got me.
Did you see it or did you not see it?
I seen it. I think the people just see my neck.
They did? Oh, see your neck? You're a minor child. You ain't doing it. It's real crazy. This is my niece, y'all. She's doing my BTS. This is her audition to see if she can. She can be my photographer, like traveling photographer.
Been trying to be your traveling photographer.
Girl, you were like 5.
Well, at least you know I'm dedicated.
Okay, so I'm good. I'm Gucci. I feel. Oh, the light. Okay, now we doing something. Now we look like somebody. Okay.
Make your root on in on your nose. There.
All right. Let's get it.
I'm Renee, and this is the home of Somewhere Dancing. Please like, share, and subscribe.